I'm almost about to complete this court. Animal Company, if you're watching this, you might have your
It's hard for you to fall down
person
because I float. Or you can touch your mine to kill yourself. You can touch your mine to kill yourself.
I'm almost supporting. I'm just thank you for almost, and I'll keep you guys. I'm sorry. I'm very surprised with this new thing you done. So Animal Company, you might have your first support if you're watching this. I'm almost there. And now, the final resorts. No! I'm not supposed to use a dropper. And here's the sound from it. If you're doing parkour, the parkour to only up. Yeah, just like this. And it's also for the ray gun. No! I'm gonna have to use the rusty old grappling. But I'm not gonna use this, but I'm gonna use the tippy top so I can save my life. Alright. Guys. And the owner himself, he's just asleep. Oh my god, he's in the... Oh god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's right there! The shark! The shark! No! No!
Wait, it's so easy to do yourself. It's so easy to do yourself.
Oi! Ah! Oh! I'm in a spaceship! Guys, I'm in a spaceship right now.
You can use ball strands and hover pads to do the parkour.
I'm doing this. I'm gonna have to go above that. I'm gonna have to go through. Oh my god.
I'm at the 3rd floor and I've already gotten 3 minutes. That's how quick it is.
Oh! Let me take a break, guys. Whoa!
Get the parkour with you.
I can't quit. Oh, I'm peeing myself right now. Damn it. Dude, I'm risking my life for this. No, 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 no. Thought it was over, but I landed on the Rubik's Cube, and then I fell. Well, this was a fun game. I like it, and the supporters who made this map is very supported and for making this map. I tried it like the fourth time or the fifth time. Just remix it. I don't know when I'm completing this. Oh my god.
Guys, if I step on a landmine, can you revive me? Dog, I'm coming back with more bro.
Save your life, not save mine. Because I'm already at the fourth floor of parkour, or only up. Dude, I'm still like the ooh, Mr. Tricky. You're Mr. Tricky boy. I missed. Soccer flow. Soccer flow. I'm going on the soccer field. Oh! Oh! There's more popcorn.
Wait, how
But
do
I'm
you
gonna
get
have
to
to
the other floors, bro? I'm really big right now. How do you get to the other floors, bro?
Oh! It's been 15 minutes since I've been
Wait for me in parkour.
I'm not waiting.
We're
Oh
already in parkour.
my god. This is crazy. Oh, it's electric fuses that kills you. Here. One of the added chainsaws to the game.
Hello? Yeah.
Oh.
I can come for here.
patience! Oh!
I shrunk.
Working here.
Dude. Oh. I remember this. Nope. Look. Holy shit. I'm almost completing it.
Guys.
Exit.
I'm gonna
Oh my god. I might beat this.
I'm still doing it.
The first YouTuber person to beat this game. Oh, lasers! No, I don't like certain lasers. Oh! That can cut you up. Ow! Oh, dude!
Guys, unfortunately.
What? Fortunately.
New hardcore.
Yeah.
So, actually,
So mine shaft is right next to it.
I need help. Buddy, give me a box, man.
Oh, so it's magnet. So magnetics. Green. And then those are safe. No. Can't even use the grappler. Which I'm about to complete it right here. Animal Company, if you're watching this, I might be the first person to do this, but people have do it more than me, more early. I do not like lasers like this. Yep, they can kill you. Yep. Ouchie! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! I might be fucked here. I'm fucked. I'm gonna have to block it.
I'm coming.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is there anything here? What happened? Please! Holy shit! Oh. I made the break. I risked my life. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? There's like a lot. I'm not gonna waste time. Come on.
Do after.
6. I can't even believe it. I am the trophy.
I've never done this. So.
Bro, there's so much rockets here.
Guys.
My rockets now. I got the rocket. I got the rockets.
I smell some.
Oh! So these are the rockets.
Only a master check? Gonna beat this?
No grappler, no that. And no, like, snowballs. We do not have snowballs. That's OG. Guys, I just Hey guys, you know what I did?
What do I do after?
There's a
I'm
stash.
going to stash. Don't grab me. Do not grab me. I'm trying to get stash. Bro.
Why is there
I
a
was trying
ghost?
hard to... Bro, I'm trying to get the stash. Don't revive me. Bro, don't revive me. Bro, you bitch. I said don't revive me.
Bro, I said don't revive me, bro. How the frick is a freaking...
And I also completed the the stash. I also completed only up. So whoever did
Me too.
I already did it.
Not too hard, but come on.
I need to get to my stash. I do not want to be revived.
I
Hoverboard
will
is trying.
revive you, don't worry, I'm just here.
Imagine eating a
I don't want to be revived. Is what I'm saying.
Now I can finally use my grappler. After so
eating a
long
hoverboard and an umbrella.
of 21 hours. How would it be 21 hours? 46 minutes and 21 hours? How would the... Like, what the... Like, whoever did this to me, I'm gonna f them up.
Oh, I got the white back.
Dude, I already got so many things.
Damn, flop.
Damn!
Freaking Savannah's right now.
Hey, I need that, boy. Completed all the park.
Kinda tired.
Yeah, I can't spend all my money. Like, I already completed it.
Do not steal that
So,
dollar.
bye-bye.